Did you get the mail from Meta that your ad account is banned, or your business manager is banned, or your Facebook page is banned, or worst of all, your profile is banned? We will go over this, and we will also go over the difference between these things and how it affects you and what you can do. So let's jump into the video directly. My name is Ecom by Nick. So welcome to the channel. My name is Ecom by Nick, and here we talk about, of course, ecom, dropshipping, and everything surrounding that. And this is a video I have got a lot of questions to do, so I will do it now. We will go over a meta structure and how you can prevent things like bans and things like that for the future. And if you like this type of raw videos I'm doing without some flashy editing and things like that, please like, subscribe, it really helps the channel, and I know that you like what I'm doing. So what is the meta structure? You have your profile, your Facebook profile, and this is the owner of everything. So this is the most important thing, and if you get this banned, you're almost screwed. But I will show you a little bit how you can prevent it if this happens, okay? On your Facebook profile, you open a Facebook page. And this Facebook page, you connect to your business account. You open a business account. And below your business account, you have different ad accounts. And then you can have, of course, different Facebook pages if you're running more stores. I recommend that you have one ad account for each store, of course, and one Facebook page for each store. I almost recommend that you have one business manager for each store. But because that's also how we prevent that we will get banned. If I will take it very easy now. So you open up a Facebook profile, or you already have that. On your Facebook profile, you open up a business account. Below your business account, you start ad accounts. And you connect Facebook pages to them because you need the Facebook page to run ads on your ad account. The Facebook page will be the face people see when you're running ads. So you will name it like your store. And the ad account, of course, you can run different. And then one thing I forgot here is you have your pixel that you connect to your Shopify. But now we talk about meta structure and how to prevent bans. What can happen? The first thing that often can happen is that you get your Facebook page banned. That's not the whole world, because you can just start new Facebook pages and connect them to your ad account and you're up and running again, no problem. If you get your ad account banned, it's a little bit more tricky, but you can just run on a separate ad account. If you get your business account banned, then your total structure is gone. Your ad accounts are gone. So you can't use your ad accounts on that business manager. Of course, the solution to that is, of course, to open one more business account. So you have two business accounts. And like I said, I recommend that you run each store on one business account. I know that can be a little bit tricky, so you can run, of course, separate stores on the same business account, but because you also want to work up the business account and get more credit from Meta and things like that, and your daily spend on ad accounts, and this takes time, of course. So it's hard to do that, but I think if you get one working, open a second one that you have, and you start running ads like $20-$30 a day or something on it just to warm it up. So you have a backup if something happens. This is a structure, and of course you have the latest one. If you get your Facebook profile banned, that you lose access to all of this. So that's not so good. Of course, how can you prevent this? On your business account, when you open your business account, it's you that's the owner of the business account. But what I would recommend you to do is, of course, invite like your mom, brother, sister, of course, someone you trust, friend. Invite them to your business account, because if it's only you here and your Facebook profile get banned, then you can't access it at all. But if you have your mom, brother, sister, or friend there, you can use their profile to access your business manager and then invite someone new, like maybe your second Facebook profile. So if you have two Facebook profiles, I will recommend you to start a second Facebook profile directly, and because Meta will not like that you will start one new, and then of course it's like 2 days old, and it should own a business account. They will ban that directly, of course. So start a Facebook profile, get some friends, so you have two separate, and if something happens here, you can just use your mom's, or of course you can invite also your second Facebook profile. So that's how you get around if you get a ban on your business account and your Facebook profile. This is not something that works every time, but it often it secures you a little bit. And of course, if you get the first thing you should do when you get an ad account ban, a business manager ban, you should of course get a review, talk to the Meta support, write them some mails, try to get them to lift the ban. But what I have seen is if you get it on your Facebook profile, is very, very hard, because they don't do that often, and they can do that. It can be some mistake, of course, and you get your Facebook profile banned, and then you have really big problems if you don't have a new one or a second one, or if you invite your like friend, mother, sister, brother, or something to your business account, so you can take control over it again. And I think you can, below your Facebook profile, I think you can have 5 business managers. And below every business manager, you can have around 10 ad accounts. It's a little bit different from business manager to business manager. When you get started, I think you only can have 1, and then 3, and then 10. As soon as you see on your business manager that it upgrades from 1 to 3, you open 3. And when it upgrades to 5, you open 2 more. And when it upgrades to 10, you open 5 new. So you always have more ad accounts, more business accounts. You should have as many as you can, because, like I said, if you get your business account here banned, then your ad accounts are banned too, and you can just move on to the next business manager. And of course, that's always good then, if this is warmed up, if this is already had some ads running on, like I said, $20-$30, your daily spend is up and everything like that, then it's very, very easy to just start here again. So that's how I have my meta structure. And like I said, Facebook profile, open a second one. Business managers, I think you can have 5, and then below every business manager, you should be able to have 10 ad accounts, but you need to work it up a little bit. Of course, you need to warm up the business manager. So this is how I do it to secure that my ads don't stop, and so I can just move forward all the time. And if you get totally banned and you can't do anything, then you have agency accounts. And agency accounts, it's something different, and I will talk about that in a separate video. This was just a quick run through the meta structure. It's a lot more into this, and you can do a lot more around it, of course, and we can go more in depth with this, with the pixel and things like what do you do when you get this banned and you have your pixel to it, things like that. That's why it's very important that you have invited someone that you can use their account, because if you have a second business manager, you will just move the business to this business manager, but the pixel is here. But if you have access to the business manager, then you can borrow your pixel to this business account, and you can be up and running directly. So it's very important that you invite people to your business manager that you trust, and so you can get access to your business manager if you get a ban on your Facebook profile. I hope this video helped a little bit and you feel more secure for the future with your meta structure. And if you want to start with Shopify e-com today, please use my link below to Shopify. You get 3 months for only $1 a month. And of course, it helps the channel. And I will leave some other links below. That's really good. And also, of course, you have the link to ecombynick.com where my video course is, and you can reach out to me for one-on-one mentorships if there are any spots open right now. And otherwise, I will see you in the next video.